New Orleans. Where jazz was born, the dead sleep above ground, and every corner has a story. And you're still stuck on Bourbon Street. Group tours that rush past St. Louis Cathedral, skim the cemeteries in 10 minutes, and never explain why this city buries its dead above ground. Uvamai's New Orleans self-guided audio tour gives you the city's most compelling landmarks, with expert narration uncovering hidden histories and first-hand stories you won't find on any plaque. For just $6, your private access link arrives straight to your inbox, a professional audio guide and interactive map, valid for 6 full days. No group, no schedule. Just New Orleans at your pace. Wander the above-ground tombs of St. Louis Cemetery and hear why the dead of New Orleans never rest below the earth. Step inside St. Louis Cathedral, the oldest continuously active cathedral in America. Walk the Garden District's antebellum mansions, where Hollywood stars now call history home. Feel the pulse of Congo Square, where jazz first found its voice. Each stop its own story, told exactly when you're standing there to hear it. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand New Orleans, not just photograph it. $6. New Orleans Untold Stories. Your pace, your journey. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.